Hello, everyone. My name is Agop Kulakisyan, and you're at the Cloud Computing Designing Intelligent Infrastructure course. You're going to be learning about lots of different things, particularly cloud computing, smart infrastructure. There's a module on smart grids, and then we're going to be working on smart transportation or intelligent transportation systems. There are lots of activities in the course. There are lots of design elements. You're going to be practicing whatever you learn almost right away. And we have one, and actually possibly two, tours that we're also going to be having during the course. I'm a third-year PhD candidate at the University of Toronto. Actually, let's jump into that. Or just before that. My research is in vehicular networks and intelligent transportation systems. I want to introduce the volunteers, Francis, William, and Billy. They're going to be helping with the course, especially with the activities when you have different questions. You can ask me or you can ask them. Let's see. We're going to be taking attendance shortly. We already did attendance. You're going to be doing a survey shortly. Start with a bit of a small introduction, and then we're heading to our first tour in a bit. Let's get to know everyone. We'll tell you a bit about ourselves. So the activity is to explain in 3 to 4 sentences who you are and where you're coming from. I already did this. So I'm from Beirut, Lebanon. If you haven't been there, go visit. Not this year. I did my master's working on vehicular networks, and my PhD is in intelligent transportation systems. Let's go around quickly, a couple of minutes each. Just explain briefly. Go ahead.
Hey guys, my name's Rahul. I'm from Dubai. Yeah, and I'm going into my senior year.
Okay.
Hey, my name's Martin. I'm from Hong Kong, and I like basketball.
Okay.
My name's James. I'm from Los Angeles, and I'm going to my senior year of high school.
My name is Bill. I'm from Shanghai, China, and I'm going to my grade 12.
My name is Alex. I'm from France, and I'm into my junior year, or grade 11.
My name is Xenia. I come from Russia, and passing on to my grade 12 right now.
My name is Francis. I'm from Nigeria, and I'm going to grade 11.
Hi, I'm Jerry Zhu. I'm from Canada. I enjoy programming and have an app on the App Store.
Nice. What's it called?
I'm telling it.
My name is Kristen. I'm from Toronto, and I'm going into grade 12.
My name is Sean Tang. I'm from Calgary, Alberta. I am going to grade 11.
My name's Jordan. I'm from Vancouver, and I'm going to grade 12.
My name is Isaac. I'm coming from Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm going to grade 12.
Hi, my name is Ditya, and I'm from Brampton, Ontario, and I'm going to grade 10.
I'm Karthik, and I live in Scarborough, and I'm going to grade 10 in September.
I'm Andrew. I'm from North York, Ontario, and I'm going to grade 10.
I'm Robbie. I'm from Toronto, I guess, and I'm going to grade 11.
I'm Michelle. I'm going to grade 10, and I'm from Toronto.
I'm Andrew. I'm from Richmond, Ontario, and I'm going to grade 10.
I'm Laura. I'm from Newfoundland, and I'm going to grade 12.
I'm Hannah. I'm from Shanghai, and I'm going to grade 11.
Well, good morning, guys. You guys are all mumbling, but anyways, I'm Solomon. I'm from Hong Kong. I was born in Vancouver. I'm going to year 12, which I think is equivalent to grade 11 here.
Yeah. Are you going to help me teach? Okay. Let's go to the volunteers. let's learn a bit about the volunteers. Go ahead.
My name is William, and I live in Scarborough. I'm going to fourth year of university, so it's not grade 12. After being hearing people say, I'm going to grade 12, yeah, I'm going to the equivalent of grade 12 in university. And I'm in engineering science, infrastructure option. So hopefully this week is going to be great. Thank you.
I'm Francis, and I recently finished first year engineering science at the University of Toronto. Nice to meet you.
And I'm Billy. I'm going into second year, or the equivalent of grade 10, I suppose, in electrical and computer engineering. And I'm currently working in AgOps Lab on the same project.
Bill is going to be helping out a bit. He's going to be doing some of the material on the 4th and 5th day. And he's been doing research with us in our lab, as he mentioned. OK, so let's get a few different things out of you. So mention 3 unique good and bad things about you. I can start. I think I put 4. Let's see. I gave up French fries for 2 years. Can anyone do that? No? That's a good thing. That's a good thing. I also gave up pop for 2 years. Can anyone do that? OK. You can do that? OK. So I test my willpower with stuff that I'm addicted to, such as French fries, and are bad for me, and then I stop, and then when I go back, I'm not addicted anymore. So if I wasn't an engineer, I would have been an economist, a psychologist, or a chef. So those are my other interests, you could say. There's a course in engineering economics. I'm a teaching assistant for it. And I love cooking, and I like psychology. And I also have a minor in philosophy. I like talking a lot. I like arguing a lot. So if there are concepts in the course that you're not understanding or you're not convinced by, ask me, and I'll do my best to convince you, to persuade you as much as I can. Now, let's go to you guys, starting with Solomon.
Okay, so
They could be good and bad things.
Okay. Just 3 in total. So first thing is I don't really like deep fried stuff because as soon as I eat it, I can get sick. That's bad, I think. That's you guys. Another thing is I have a ton of computers at home, like loads. Also, at the other thing is
OK, time's up. Next.
okay.
I used to play the piano for 8 years. I played the French horn, and I was a black belt in Taekwondo.
This is my 4th week at D. I love outdoor activities, so I love like hiking and canoeing and things like that. And during the summer, I usually hike like 10 kilometers every month.
I don't like sugar. I never eat sugar. I play a lot of team sports, and I'm not good with computers. I'm horrible with computers.
Sure.
I was born in Toronto, and then I went to China for 2 years, and then I spent my childhood in LA. So I have an American education, sort of. I did the sport of fencing, so that's why there's a hole in my pants, and it's really dangerous, and I'm a dangerous person, so don't get close to me. And I like baking.
I'm Robbie. I like to sleep and usually go to bed like really late. I'm not sure why.
Class starts at 9 every day. At 9:15, we're calling your parents.
Wait, isn't it 9:30?
Oh, 9:30. For you, it's 9. For you, it's 9.
Okay. I like to read, and I guess, I don't know, I waste my time a lot when I shouldn't.
I'm going to do Andrew.
I know perfectly.
I
acquired taste. Okay. Good.
I'm Karthik. I like to play chess. Algonquin Park is fun. And I love candy. Yeah.
Unlike Ken.
My name is Ditya. Unlike Andrew, I love coffee. And I'm a huge Apple fanboy. And also I love programming.
I'm a licensed tennis player. I can play guitar. And I also like reading.
I'm Jordan. I like and I play a lot of League of Legends. So yeah, I love computers.
My name's Sean Zhang. I like all types of gun food. I like pandas. I like meat.
I'm Kristen. I like watching hockey. My favorite team is the Leafs, and my favorite color is blue.
I like gaming. I play almost every major game release on the PC. I like reading deep and philosophical books, and I gave up on sports.
I failed. I wanted to pivot French fries, but I failed. And I want to be an engineer, and it's my fourth week at least.
I am crazy about anything with caffeine or sugar in it. I play video games like crazy, and I skip the break.
I guess I'm eager to learn, and that's probably why I'm studying in summer. I also enjoy taking photos, particularly of my cats and of cups of coffee. And I also like tennis, and I like information technology too.
I like, my favorite color is purple. I like talking to people a lot, and I also play League of Legends.
I'm James. I'm a fencer. I've built my own computer, and I'm terrified of spiders.
I'm Martin. As said before, I like basketball. It's my fourth week at Deep, and one bad thing of being when I was small, I accidentally broke someone's foot.
I'm Rahul, and I have quite a few weird skills like dirt biking and guns. I love guns. Yeah, and I'm a gamer, console gamer. So.
I'm Andy. I can cook. I'm learning 3 different languages all at the same time, and I have bad habits.
Such as? This is a place that tell us.
I fidget a lot. Okay.
Okay.
And I forgot to tell you I'm going to grade 10.
Okay, thank you for everyone. Let's just go to the volunteers too. Interesting stuff, guys. Interesting.
Alright, so I'm Billy again, and despite being an electrical and computer engineer, I absolutely refuse to have a cell phone, can't stand social media, and I get my news from the printed newspaper.
I'm Francis again. I like playing Minecraft, StarCraft, League of Legends, Dota. I tend to fool around during work, and I kissed a horse statue's genitalia for good luck in academics.
I'm William again, and I'm a photographer. I do a little bit of commercial photography outside of university. I'm also a singer, classical singer, bass baritone, and I'm extremely lazy. And here's the story I want to tell you guys. So basically, for us, we have to come here at 9 o'clock instead of 9:30. That's like the rule for us. And I usually come here at 9:10. And Pilar, who's in charge of like all of us, usually pissed off at me, but like I just screwed up.
PG-13.
Yes.
Okay. It's good to know some of your interests and try to incorporate some of them also in the course. I also wanted all of you to get to know each other. There's going to be lots of group activities, especially starting tomorrow. And that's one of the skills that you need in engineering, other than the engineering design elements and the communication that you have in speaking and writing and with people. You need to be a good leader and a good contributor to a team. So those are skills that we would like you to learn, and we want you to see what are the skills that you need to be an actual engineer. And if you like it, then we'll come back and join U of T Engineering, hopefully. Okay? So let's get started. I just have some introductions, expectations about the course. So I just want to have an idea from you. I know you answered some of the questions there, but I want to hear some of your expectations, just like in general, about what you expect from the course. What do you expect to learn from it? Come on. I want to hear your opinions.
Applications of cloud, like what ideas, how
Could you be loud so that everyone can hear it?
Like cloud computational like applications.
So where you could be using the cloud?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Using the cloud to do something.
Okay, what would you like to keep from the course after a week? Yeah.
Accessing web services.
Web services. Okay. What else? Yeah.
Maybe how IT and cloud meets engineering.
Okay. So how IT and the cloud work together to help solve people's needs?
Maybe like how the wireless communication between the two devices works at a structural level.
Okay. That's going to be later on in ECE after you join, but we can touch upon that. Okay. So these are kind of in a formal way what you're going to be learning in the course. So you're going to learn what cloud computing actually is. You're going to be experimenting. You have a long activity today in the afternoon using the Amazon cloud. So you're going to learn what it means to have something as smart. We've been hearing smart devices, smart infrastructure, smartphones, smart meters. What does smart mean? What makes something smart in a technical way? And you're going to be understanding all the building blocks for different sets of smart elements. So cloud computing, smart grids, and then smart transportation. We're going to be touching upon smart grids tomorrow, and you're going to learn how human behavior affects the success or not of smart grids, and how you guys can contribute. And you're going to be learning about smart transportation and doing analysis over smart transportation techniques and build some of the elements that would go into cloud computing services specifically for smart transportation. And on Friday, at the end of the course, you'll be preparing presentations and you'll be presenting in front of a distinguished researcher, Professor Leon-Garcia from the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department, my supervisor. He's going to be coming Friday afternoon, and you're going to be presenting in front of him. And okay, so informally, hopefully, you'll be shocked, surprised, and excited. I'm going to be touching your intuition and fooling you with different things. So when you think you know something, all of a sudden you're going to realize that what you think is right is actually wrong, especially in some parts of transportation. You're going to learn how your role in the society contributes to the implementation and success of different technologies, specifically smart infrastructure. Hopefully, you're going to start thinking like an engineer, solving like an engineer, being creative, and starting to think outside of the box, and getting a flavor of different elements of computer engineering, electrical and computer engineering, and also transportation. Also, having fun, making friends, and working in groups. Any general questions?